Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix hard disk drive that is not working. Maybe it is not opening, so you cannot access the content that is on the hard disk drive. So here is external disk drive Transcend, plug into this PC. So in order to do this, we are going to use command prompt that is on the PC, and this I'm using a Windows PC. Yeah, and the command prompt, I'm going to give a command that it should repair the hard disk. So let's get started. I'm going to press Windows button and type just CMD. Yeah, and this the CMD, right? CMD typed, command prompt. So run as admin. Yeah, good. Run as admin. All right. So here is the admin. Let me maximize it so that it's going to be. Oh, this seems to be too much. Okay, let me maintain this window. All right. So this is command prompt, and to give command, but I need to know the address of these days, like the drive letter, because the drive letter will be needed here. So let me press Windows E to open a folder, then this PC. So this external is volume E. Yeah, is the volume here. All right, back here. So check this. I see that here. CHK. That is check disk. DSK. Check this. Then spacebar. Remember, this is volume E, right? Yeah, volume E. Then E, it's a E, full colon, yeah, full colon, then space bar, /, yeah, /R. So this /R is going to restore the content. Like if there's a problem on the drive, it's going to restore it to a perfect state that it was before. So let me hit on enter and see. I hit on enter. You look at it. Yeah. So he's doing the scanning. All right. So yeah, look at it. It has finished stage 4. This stage. Okay, look at it. And while doing this, make sure that the hard drive is not disconnected. Make sure your PC do not die during the process. It's going to, this takes a very long time. Yeah, it takes a very long time. So it's going to, tell everything that is, maybe if something is wrong on the disk, is going to attempt to repair it. So at the end of it, it will tell you if it was able to fix the problem that is on the disk. Look at it as it is blinking. That means it's scanning, trying to look for errors and trying to fix the error. Okay. So yes, one thing that you can do to an hard drive that is not responsive, especially if such an hard drive shows up on File Explorer. This is File Explorer. Yeah, this is what is called File Explorer. If it shows up here, this is drive. You see, now I cannot open it up because it is busy. Yeah, the command prompt is currently using it, trying to scan and fix whatever the problem that is on the disk. So you can try that. Yeah. So you can try that. Perhaps it might. I've used it a lot. It's a very, it is a very common, line of code that you can use to fix problematic hard drive. Yeah. Okay. So that is it. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe. Subscribe and turn on your notification for more updates. See you next time. Why this Windows that is on this PC is in Windows 10? Yeah, Windows 10 that is run. Winvar enter. This is Windows 10. This thing can be done on any Windows. Yeah, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 11. See the same. That is, check this. The address of the disk, that is drive lighter, then /R to restore. R obviously means to restore the hard disk to a good state, so that you'll be able to open and access the content that is on the disk. All right. So why that is the external disk is drive E. You can also do the same thing on drive C. Drive C simply means that is the the disk that the host is turned on. So that is drive C. Nothing is going to take that drive C. Nothing. The drive C belongs to the Windows. Yeah. So you can also do the same thing for the Windows. Instead of using maybe drive D or drive E, that is for the external disk. Yeah. You can do the same thing. Instead of that E, drive letter of whatever that you plug in, you can simply change it to C. C followed by phone colon. Then the only thing is that it's not going to do it this way. Yeah, because it can the Windows is designed such a way that not it, because if it's going to be this way, it can't do anything anymore. Yeah. So what it's going to do is that it's going to give you another option if you wanted to scan the hard disk in the next during the next restart. So you can just click Y. That is Y is yes. Yeah, it's going to give you instruction. You're going to see the instruction. So when you restart the PC, it's going to start the scanning. Scanning and try to attempt to fix errors that is found on the hard drive. Yeah. So that is it. And look at this. It's on stage 4, looking for bad clusters in user file data. Look at the ETA. Yeah, estimated time that's going to finish is over 3 hours. So during this process, make sure that the PC does not go off and nothing hit the hard drive or affected the connection. Yeah, the hard disk must remain connected during the process, not for it to be successful. So basically, that is it. That is how you can fix a problematic hard disk drive. Maybe it's not showing up, or it's showing that yes, it is corrupted. You cannot access your file. Just try this. Yeah, I've used it many times, and it has saved a lot of hard drives. Yeah. So that is that.